Do you want to take control of your finances but don't know where to start? A personal budget is the perfect tool to organize your income and expenses. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how to create a budget that works for you and how to stick to it. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand your income. Begin by listing all your sources of income. This includes your paycheck, side hustles, rental income, or any other money coming in. Write down the total amount you receive monthly. If your income fluctuates, use the average of the past 3 months. This will give you a baseline to build your budget. Step 2. Track your expenses. Now, gather all your bills and receipts from the past month. Sort your expenses into categories: fixed expenses, rent, mortgage, car payments, or insurance. Don't forget irregular expenses, like birthdays or holiday gifts. Tracking apps like Mint or EveryDollar can make this step easier. Step 3. Set financial goals. What are you budgeting for? Short-term goals might include saving for a vacation or paying off a credit card. Long-term goals could be buying a home, building an emergency fund, or investing for retirement. Write these goals down. They will guide your spending decisions. Step 4. Choose a budgeting method. There are many budgeting systems to choose from. Here are 3 popular ones. The 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. The envelope method. Use cash and separate it into envelopes for each spending category. Once an envelope is empty, you stop spending in that category. Pick a method that fits your lifestyle and financial goals. Step 5. Create your budget. Now that you know your income, expenses, and goals, it's time to create the budget. Start by listing your fixed expenses, as they are non-negotiable. Next, allocate money to your variable expenses. Finally, set aside funds for savings and investments. Make sure your total expenses do not exceed your income. Step 6. Implement and track your budget. The best budget is the one you actually use. Review your spending weekly to ensure you're staying on track. Adjust as needed. If one category is over budget, reduce spending in another. Use apps like YNAB or even a simple spreadsheet to keep everything organized. Step 7. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is essential for unexpected expenses. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Start small. Set aside even $20 a week until it becomes a habit. Step 8. Stay consistent. Budgeting is not a one-time task, it's an ongoing process. Every month, review your income, adjust for new expenses, and refine your goals. Celebrate small wins, like saving your first $500 or paying off a debt. Step 9. Avoid common budgeting mistakes. Don't make your budget too restrictive, leave room for fun. Avoid forgetting irregular expenses, like car maintenance or holiday shopping. And don't ignore your savings goals, treat them like a fixed expense. Step 10. Reflect and improve. At the end of each month, ask yourself, did I meet my financial goals? Use these reflections to make your next budget even better. Budgeting is a powerful tool to take control of your finances and achieve your dreams. It might take some effort at first, but the rewards are worth it. Start today, stick with it, and watch your financial confidence grow. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's make budgeting simple and effective together. See you in the next video.